Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Filmora in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add text in your video with using Filmora. So I have an example clip here, so just drag and drop into the timeline here to match to the media. So you can see I have put a video clip in my Filmora here, so I'm going to use text in this video. First of all, to add text you just have to go to the titles option here next to the audio here up there, just click the titles here. Now I can see there's a lot of titles option here. There's openers, titles, lower thirds, subtitles, end credits, and new conclusion. It's all the same, and all text same, and all the process are same. So I'm gonna choose the default title here to show you how to add text. So I'm just gonna click here and drag into the timeline here, top to the video, not in the video because it will disappear. So just in the top to the video here, then click in the title here, and now we can see there's a text input here where you can input your text. So just example, write something here, and if you want to change, now you can see there's a text in the video here. Now if you want to change the font here, you can see there's a lot of font style here, you can choose from here. So let me just choose one from here, and you can see the font is changed. And if you want to make your font bigger, you can see there's a font size here. So now you can see the font size is also big here. So if you want to change the color of your text here, of course you want to change the color of your, just scroll down and you can see there's an option called text color, and you can choose lots of color from here. So let's say I want to use the yellow here, click OK, and you can see the color is changed. And if you go to the advanced option, you can then you can change more things. You can see there's effect here, there's opacity here, you can choose the opacity of your text here. And if you go down, you can see there's an option called text border, so just click here and check it mark, and you can choose the text border color here, so choose the black here. Then you can see the border is black here. And also you can choose the size of the text here, how big you want to size for your border here. And you can also choose the text shadow here, you can also choose the text color from here. So let's say I want a text shadow of yellow color, click OK, and just what kind of shadow do you want, there's a type here, let's choose that in the last here, and you can see there's a shadow of yellow color. And you can also choose the distance of your shadow. So after you finishing editing the text here, you can also choose the animation from here. There's a lot of animation for using this text here, so let's go with the typewriter option here. And you can see this text will go just like this. So if you satisfied with your edit, just click OK, and let's see how the video is goes here. And one more thing, if you want to show your text longer time or smaller time, you can just drag the text here in the video here, how much you want to show your text in the video. So let's just, I want to show my text like this, and let's just see the video here again. So that's it guys, this is how you put text in your video with using Filmora. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more Filmora tutorial, and thank you for watching.